Are you looking for a step-by-step guide on setting up your homemade solar power? When it comes to alternative electricity, then no doubt solar panel is the number one in this category for many decades now. Many people are investing in solar panels and saving 50% on their electricity cost every month. However, the problem with this conventional solar panel is the setup cost. If you hire any company, then you may end up paying above $10,000 to power up your home with solar energy. And the other problem is good amount of space required for its setup. Is there any way to overcome these two problems? Yes, it is. Introducing Backyard Revolution by Zach Bennett. It is a program that teaches you how you can set up a 3D solar panel that costs $200 and can take only 5% of the space that required in conventional solar panels. Here in this Backyard Revolution review, you will learn how this program works, about its author, its bonuses, and in the end, you will get my final verdict about this program. In case, if you want to watch how much this 3D solar panel generate electricity, then I would recommend you to watch the video. You will see how easy it is if you click the link below, and you will know how.